Want to learn robotics and electronics for completely free without buying any expensive parts? Here is how to start. Go to tinkercad.com and click Sign Up. Choose Create a Personal Account. You can log in instantly using your Google or Apple account. It takes literally 3 seconds. Boom! You're in. Click Create. Then select Circuit to open your virtual engineering workbench. In the next video, I'll show you how to wire your very first circuit. Hit follow so you don't miss it.